Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 XLT in blue jeans metallic, gray cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a 5-liter V8 engine and it's a 4x4. It has the XTR package, which adds a little shine, with chrome handles, running board, tow hooks, fender, bumper, and it's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. This vehicle also has a reverse camera system as well as a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get in here and see us about this vehicle. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted with manual lumbar. Your electronic parking brake, lighting controls, and with the aid of your running board and grab handle, it's easy to get in. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, as well as the menu that we can toggle through. So I'm just going to go to the top here for you. Display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic select shifter, as you press through the drive mode, you're going to see it appear on the dash, normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco, sport, and then back around again. In the center is a little cubby, and you also have your traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. Your display for your media is AM, FM, and Sirius satellite radio. And when we put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. There you go. And down below is the volume and tuner, and then you have your fan, AC, and max AC, as well as your front defrost. 4x4 locking differential, pro trailer backup, there's a little cubby there. And inside here we have our USB and a little bit of storage. Plus you've got bins and a couple of cup holders. The armrest opens up, and that gives you lots of storage room, a 12-volt down below. You've got this little bin up top to throw items in. Off to the side is your 12 volt. You also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror, your lighting controls, we can just turn that off. You also have a sunglass holder and grab handle in the body, making it easier for the passenger to get in. 18-inch wheels, mud flaps, chrome magnetic running board, chrome door handle, keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. And below that handle is your backup camera. You also have a 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, simply put your hand in the latch. You've got a 5.5-foot box, and it's got tie downs in all 4 corners. And then when you're ready, close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and you can easily bring the seat up simply by giving it a push. And when you want to bring it down, pull the tab, and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and you've got slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center is a couple of cup holders, air vents, 12-volt, and USB outlet. Grab handle in the body, hooks and lighting up above, and in the back, access to a big window. Chrome bumper, mud flap, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, power side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.